to decongest Metro Manila itself by transferring all the government, the departments, offices outside Metro Manila. Kung nililipat mo ang Malacanang sa Clark, nililipat mo ang Kongreso sa labas, nilipat mo ang TNR sa Zambales, nilipat mo ang DPWH sa Bulacan, nilipat mo ang iba-ibang departamento sa iba't ibang probinsya, you will be creating road corridors, you will be decongesting Metro Manila. Wala na pupunta sa Metro Manila. Doon sila pupunta. Doon sila magkakaroon ng business. So, at this point, band-aid solution. Siguro, middle ground na muna ang makikita natin suggestion dito. My band-aid solution would be a partial provincial ban, if you want to call it that, the President. But again, on these points, I hope your committee will consider and that the executive department